So also we can use multiple columns, which means SQL group by count multiple columns. So let's use the same table. Let's see the number of the employees by job title, and let me see something meaningful that we can use it. We can also use organization level. I believe this is interesting. So let me just delete the other columns so you can see the syntax, all the syntax. Okay, and now let's add the group by close. This case, as we said, we are going to group by organization level and job title. Okay, let's execute, and as you can see here, we have the output. So let's add a name of the first column, which is number employees, and let's make it meaningful by organizational. It will be too long, but just for you, so you can understand what I am working on and what I am doing. So as you can see here, we have extract, or we have select the number of the employees by organization level and by job title. Okay, so now we can also create SQL group by some example. So let me see here in this very specific table that we used, if we have something that we can make some total for it. For example, vacation hours, as you can see here, or sick leave hours. We can do the both if you want to. So let me just delete all of them. We are going to group by job title. Okay, I'm going to do the sum of those two columns. Okay, so we are going to use some aggregate syntax. Okay, and we are going to group by the job title. So let me run it. Okay, so let me add for the syntax total vacation hours. And here, let me rename this columns by total sick leave hours, and let me add the order by close, which I said it's optional. So let me execute, and as you can see here, we have selected the number or the total of vacation hours and the total of sick leave hours by job titles for every employees, for everyone. Okay, so we can also use, for example, the where clause. We can add it. So as you can see here, let's add it here. Where, for example, job title. Okay, let's set, for example, is different to this value accountant. Okay, let me run it. So as you can see here, we don't have the accountant job title, and we don't have the data related to the job title with the name accountant. Okay, so as we said, we can use the sum, the average, the mean, the max, aggregate function. So let me now try to use it in one syntax. Okay, just let me use it. Okay, so for example, let me use here count business entity ID here. I'm going to delete those unnecessary columns. So let me delete also those ones. Okay, let me here set some of the vacation hours, and let me rename it as here total vacation hour. Let me here rename this column as total employees or count employees, total number employees. Okay, let me here do another aggregate function, which is, for example, mean sick leave hours. Let me rename it as mean sick leave hours. Let me see if I can do another aggregate function, okay, on this report. Okay, we can also do, for example, here average of the vacation hours. Let me change a few things. Just let me do it. Okay, it's going to be here not the total. Let's add average. Okay, and let me just delete the unnecessary columns, so you can see here group by job title. Okay, so let me run it, execute, and as you can see here, we have our syntax. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe column subscribe button, notification button, so you don't miss the action. I'm going to upload more and more videos on business intelligence field. Please don't forget to leave a comment with your feedback, what you want to see, and what you like and what you don't like, and how to improve my channel. Okay, so goodbye for now. See you later. Okay, bye for now.